IG nga.
IG nga.
IG.
Hindi mo kayo IG?
Wala akong eyeglasses ngayon.
Ayaw maniwala.
Ikaw pa yung may trust issues ha.
Hello guys, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Ayaw maniwala.
Are you excited?
Ay. Comment?
Excited na ba kayo guys sa sa WhatsApp?
Nandito tayo ba?
Concert namin.
Dito tayo lang.
Guys.
Ang ganda ng buhok mo daw, Winston.
Thank you.
Sabi ko. Hindi, dapat sa akin ka magpasalamat kasi ako nagsabi.
Salamat.
Uy, Pilipin!
Uy, Philippines!
Hello, guys!
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hello, wow! Grabe mag-1,000 agad.
Wow.
Matagal na tayo pag nag-1,000, joke, aabot kaya siya 1,000.
Abot yan.
Hintayin natin mag-1,000 tapos magpa-hello and hi tayo.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Okay. We're waiting. And, kamusta kayo guys? Kumain na ba kayo ng dinner?
And lunch.
Have you eaten your dinner? 식사하셨어요?
Oh, 1K.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hello.
We are
Horizon!
Yeah. We're back. We're back in Instagram because we've been doing it TikTok lives recently, but now we're back. And yeah, what did you guys have for dinner?
I had Skyflakes.
What?
Yeah.
How many? Because I did see like a lot of plastics when I entered the
4 packs of Skyflakes.
Ako, chicken curry.
Same. Sabay kami kumain.
Bakit ganun? Bakit may monster?
Bakit may ano?
Spoiler mo ba yun for Watson? Yan ba yung concept?
Ganun.
Ganun. Okay, ikaw.
Chicken curry din. Tapos yung tilapia namin maalat kanina.
Pero hindi tilapia.
Ginataang tilapia.
Tilapia yun.
Ano, paksiw na ginataang tilapia.
Paano naging baksin tapos ginataan?
Hindi.
Yung lasa kasi.
Tapos taxi.
Yung oo nga.
Pili ko ginataan lang yun, hindi siya paksiw.
Ano, sobrang lasa asin.
Anyways, how about you?
I ate bulalo.
Tapos naghanap ka ng spoon kanina.
Saan ka nakahanap ng bulalo? Naka-ano? Pork. So, yun yung noodles?
Oo.
Cup noodles ang tinibulalo.
Bulalo pa rin yun. Nakapangalan na ng bulalo. Salad.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we both ate salad.
May paayuda daw yung Watson page sa Watson's page.
Oh!
Anong paayuda?
Wait, what does that mean?
I don't know too.
But maraming paayuda ang Watsons for you guys.
Yeah.
Especially if you got tickets. Did you get your tickets already?
If you haven't, then you can.
Ito. Anong pwede nilang i-comment? Ibig sabihin, pupunta sila.
Comment.
Press
Press. Comment.
What's
Comment.
the best?
Comment. Pogi si Marcus
Okay.
if you're coming to Watson.
Pogi si Marcus kung pupunta kayo.
Yeah. Just to boost my
Pogi.
self-esteem. Tapos wala pala nag-comment.
Bravo.
Hindi kasi wala pupunta.
Hindi ko pala eh.
Wala pa rin nag-comment.
Wala.
Ay!
Either hindi pogi talaga si Marcus.
May nakita
wala
ako.
pumunta.
Dalawa. Nag-stop yung comment. Grabe na kayo.
Ako baka nag-lag kasi sobrang dami. Ala, may mga pogi daw si Vinci.
Ay!
Parang binabalik tayo.
Nag-train niya si Marcus.
Hala, nag-lag. Mag-lag nga tayo pag 6, 7.
Yakin, mag-lag nga ito. Ba't gumagaling yung kamay
Hindi,
ko?
ganun na siya. Yun na yung lag niya. Lag na siya sa totoong buhay.
Pre,
Hindi
pag
kailangan.
ilang pre, kakasabi lang ni Vinci na magtahimik. Humingay ka agad.
Guys, may tanong ako sa inyo.
Oh.
English or Tagalog?
English.
Sige, tatakbo na ako.
Whoever movies.
Anyways, we have lots to talk about today because it's only 2 days
Yes.
before Watson's
Playlist!
Naglalag. Okay, isa pa. 2 days before Watson's
Playlist!
Concert! Yeah!
Kuya Kim, saan
With
tayo? with G22, Kaya, Alamat, and SB19.
Mojo!
Kanta tayo ng isang song ng kada group as respect. Okay. Ikaw muna sa G22.
Bang!
Bang, 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 umaalab, bang, 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 ready and shoot! Kanta lang kayo, and SB19! Bazinga! Hey! The gasolina! Yeah! Napaalinga! You to turn up the heat and I burn ya till I die! Bruce, be proud of us! Alamat! Hanggang kabasin!
Tutong mo manay!
Or, I think about you today, and I mash up pala pag ano. And kaya, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Diba sila nag-dash sila dati?
Oo.
Si Kaya. Nag-dash sila dati.
Oh, yeah.
Mga ate po namin sila, Ate Kaya.
Super
Thank you po
galing.
for the support. And thank you for coming to the Anchor event, right?
Oh, yeah, they
Oh.
went.
Yeah, they went to the Anchor event. So,
Thank you so
salamat
much.
po.
We appreciate it so much because we couldn't be there kasi nasa concert tayo ni Isang Solusong din in that time. And we were just, in Korea naturally. So,
Yes.
we couldn't be there sa Philippines. I mean, here.
But
That
we
happened.
will see each other in 2 days.
Yes,
2
we're so
days
excited.
na lang.
And kailangan yung maklaim yung physical tickets nyo. So I hope you guys got your physical tickets.
Yes.
And yeah, did you get your physical tickets? Because I know parang you get it from the app and then pupunta ka sa mga SM malls or sa mga ticket stores and then you get your physical ticket.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
And there's lots of ang daming exciting stuff pa na mangyayari dun kasi may meet and greet!
Yes,
Yes.
yo!
Yes. And ano ba yung mga nangyayari sa meet and greet?
And of course, mamimit.
Mag-meet.
Siyempre,
Mag-usap, kamustahan.
Yeah.
Kung anong na-feel nila, di ba? Tapos, meron kaming mga photo cards, mga poster, sign. So, marami talagang gifts, maraming perks.
Marami kayong magiging memorabilia for this concert kasi Watson's prepared so much for you guys, for all your fans. Mga Anchors, 18s, Bullets, Zayas, and Magilios, every one of y'all,
Anchors.
you have something, there's something in store for you. So we hope to see you there and you guys have fun. Because it's like a whole day of celebration for hip hop and for all of the groups there. Kaya mag-enjoy talaga tayo kasi kami din mag-enjoy. So first time din kasi namin maging part ng ganitong kalaking hip hop event, diba?
Yeah.
So it's a real honor and we're so glad that we're part of it.
Yeah.
So Horizon.
Mag-enjoy ka.
Yeah.
People are asking if this is a filter.
This one.
Yeah, but it's
Oh,
not.
it's not. It's just a shiny
Yung
thing.
filter yan guys, dapat lahat meron kami.
Pwede naman. I-share natin.
Sirain namin yung camera pag si Vinci lang yung meron talaga pag filter. Wow, where'd you get that?
From the fan.
Try ko
the
nga
fan
sa
signing
akin. Mabagay
events.
ba?
Alamat X Hori dance challenge, please. We'll try. Honestly,
yeah.
we were really when we rehearsed with Alamat and
Oh,
SB19,
yeah.
like was it yesterday?
Yeah. Yesterday lang yun?
Oh,
Yeah,
yes,
yesterday.
yesterday. Right? Yeah, yesterday nakita-kita kami lahat. We basically spent the entire morning and afternoon together. And they were
We had
super
breakfast
fun.
together and all.
Yeah, and lunch with some. And they're really nice to us. And Philippines.
Philippines.
Ang saya kasi grabe yung energy nung nagpa-practice pa lang.
Why?
Grabe yung energy nung nagpa-practice pa lang kami. Kasi nandun nga lahat nung groups na kasali for the collaboration.
Yes.
And lahat kami tinatry namin talagang i-give yung best. And ang hype lang kasi, di ba, habang nagpa-perform each group, hype lang talaga and hype. As in,
Let's go!
support ng support. Kaya ang saya mag-perform kasi pag ganun pag maraming nag-hype na tao. And syempre sa Watson's concert sa Sunday, maraming lalong taong mag-cheer kaya mas magiging energized kami. I feel.
Dati na ano lang natin yung SB19 sa South Korea. No?
Yeah,
Doon na kami
sa
nagkita-kita.
Busan,
Sa
last
Busan.
time natin
Sa
before.
pistang Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Pinapangarap talaga namin na magka-collab or magkasama talaga. And ngayon nangyari.
Grabe,
Abangan.
grabe kasi as young artist, syempre, malaking honor yung ka-perform with such, seniors na sila and
Yeah.
matagal na sila sa industriya. Kaya super honored talaga kami na kasali kami.
Napaka-solid.
Hindi lang in the same event pero as in nasa sa same stage.
Same stage.
Kaya we're so honored and we're so excited for it. Kaya sana kayo din excited.
Yes.
Excited na ba kayo? Tapos di ba na yung fans mo?
Ay!
Ayun, may
Oo,
TMI!
yung
May
fans
TMI
mo.
siya, may TMI siya.
TMI si Lawrence ngayon.
From yesterday.
Okay, sige, ikwento mo.
Kahapon, kasi yung yung performance talaga namin is gonna be, I don't wanna spoil anything. I don't wanna spoil
But,
anything.
feeling ko mag-spoil nga ito ng konti kasi, di ba,
Crazy.
grabe
Kasi-
umabot sa
grabe,
gano'n.
Yeah. So, napunit talaga yung pants ko. As in, hanggang dito yung punit niya. As in,
Bagong bili pa naman.
bagong bili yung
Bagong
pants
bili
na
ni
yan.
Mama, no?
Tapos, napunit yun while we were training. And then I was like, oh, does anyone have spare pants?
No one
And then
had. No one did in
No
our
one
group.
from Horizon had one, but luckily, someone from SB19 gave
Whoa!
me
Hey!
pants, and I think Kuya Stel was the one who to notice my pants, and now it's still with me. So Kuya Stel, ibabalik ko siya.
Wait,
Yeah.
ibalik niya.
Yeah.
Parang kanina, name niya na eh. Nandun sa, nakapaskel na dun sa kwarto niya.
Kaya hindi, Kuya Stel, pag kailangan mo pa
Binalandro.
pagka gusto mo yung pants, ibabalik ko na. Pero kung
Mukhang
pwede,
hindi mo naman kailangan.
sa kanila.
Parang marami naman ata siya.
Oo, maganda, no?
Pero yung maganda talaga sa kanila pag sumasama kami sa, for example, nag-meet tayo sa kanila, like, parang mag-best friend na talaga kami na, like, uy, kamusta? Like,
Paano
kamusta?
Parang feeling close ka lang agad
Feeling
yata
close.
kayo, Ben.
Pero guys, sobrang ang babait nila.
Oo,
Kasi
babait
sila,
talaga sila.
sobrang nahiya ko kasi sila yung mas nauna yung zombie name tapos sila yung unang ang bait talaga nila. Nakipagkilala.
And also, Alamat, we met up with them. All of, sila na yun, di ba?
Yeah, sila na lahat.
And yeah.
Kami si Kuya Joe, ang saya.
Grabe.
Sa'yo niya ko.
Sorry.
Pwede na daw siyang member.
He's so funny, he's so
Basta,
funny. I
ang
love
dami
it.
talagang, I think there were cameras during that day, so sana it will be like uploaded somewhere. So it was really fun to be with them. We had many interactions and yes, 8th member.
Tapos,
Kuya Joe.
tapos nagulat din ako.
Members,
Kasi
Kuya
nandun
Joe,
sila
no?
sa CR, tapos nag-CR ako. Din paglabas ko, biglang lumapit sa akin si Joe, tapos sabi, hi guys, so this is our new member Joe. Tapos nagulat ako, tapos sabi ko, hi, I'm new member of Alamat, Winston. Sabi ko.
Ano position mo doon sa Alamat?
Ano?
Ikaw yung gimbal.
Gimbal. Ako yung gimbal.
Yung bal.
Ayun. Pero grabe nakakatuwa kasi nagkaroon kami ng time to,
Ayaw pa namin masyado mag-spoil, but we just know it's gonna be so bomb and the fact na napunit na yung pantalon ni Marcus sa practice.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin talaga, it's gonna blow your minds
Baka-
and your...
Pero dapat matibay yung pants na dalhin nyo kasi baka mapunit din yung pants.
But pati ikaw ata kailangan mo tibayin.
Kasi yung matibay
Baka
talaga.
Kasi nung kahapon, diba, sobrang challenge sa atin kasi sobrang gagaling ng Alamat at saka yung Steve.
Sobrang galing talaga.
Nakanaw talaga namin yung best
Kailangan
namin.
talagang ano.
Di ba may camera, sinabi naman natin kung ano yung nangyari doon.
Meron, hindi kasi mayroon mga camera.
May nag-shoot.
So pagka
Mali mo trip lang nila i-shoot, hindi nila ilalabas
Oo.
yun.
Minsan nagkikwento na kami ni Kuya Kim, tas biglang paglingon namin may nakaganon na sa akin.
Parang Dreammaker lang.
No, parang...
May naalala ko dun Gusto ko yung topic. Kaya na mag-record.
Tapos may ikot na yung buong topic. Biglang uminit. Ganun na, ganun.
Biglang
Pero
uminit.
ba't biglang nga uminit? Kasi hindi mo sinarapit ko, pre.
Hallucinate, dude. Langga.
Ikaw.
Wait
Ay,
lang.
si Winston.
Si Winston din nagsara.
Si Winston talaga.
Eh, di naman
Kaya
nakasarap.
lumalabas yung earphone eh.
Lumabas ko din nakasarap.
Oh.
So, ganun pa rin.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was that. That was, yeah. It was so funny.
Yeah.
And, ay, syempre, kaya naman kami nandito para ipakita sa inyo ang pwede nyo
Ayan na!
mag-get, mabili, ma-everything.
Ayan!
Yung tote bag.
Rat bag.
Tote bag.
Yeah, show
Tote
your
bag,
tote
tote.
bag. These are the Watson playlists,
Yeah.
tote bag merches and stuff that you can get. Get one and pass, guys.
Wow.
Oh, wait, it got something
Wow.
inside. We're gonna reveal it later. We're gonna reveal it later. So, is it enough for everyone?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. These are the things you could buy. You can buy in the website and sa app. So yeah, you're just gonna model it in front of you guys just so you get to see how big it is. If you want one, of course you're gonna ask them, guys. So,
Pasok tayo sa Sunday, puro nakaganito.
Okay, go, model nyo yan.
Pwede nang gamitin na pag magte-training tayo, no?
Yeah.
Sa
Sa Sunday, kusopin
Lagyan
natin yung tumbler.
Hey!
Tumbler.
Okay, so lahat, kunin natin yung nasa loob lahat at the same time.
Oh, sige,
Okay,
let's
okay.
reveal.
Wait.
Five.
Hindi ko din, so pero hindi ako sure kung pag binili nila to, may kasama na agad.
Feeling ko meron talaga.
Meron na, no? Feeling ko,
House and lot.
So ito na yun. Wow! It's a card
Ano siya?
holder.
Pwede siyang lalagyanan ng ID ganun.
Kapag pumasok kayo sa mall, pwede nyo ito pakita. Kuya,
Sa work na, no?
Pwede sa no ID, no entry. Pumunta kayo sa,
Member ka na, yeah.
papasok kayo sa eskwelahan, tapos pakita nyo
Pakita nyo to.
sa kaklase nyo.
Perfect to pag namalengke kayo sa Korea. Pwede rin sa Watsons, guys. Pag pumunta kayong Watsons, magkakaroon kayo ng discount.
Oh my gosh!
Yes.
So, ganito.
Ala, pre na siya!
May nagsabi, tao ba si Raster?
Wala.
Anino lang siya.
Mannequin.
Sorry.
Yan.
It's kind of hot, he?
Fortunate, si Harsling tayo? Yeah, sure. Pose. Later, we'll have
Yeah.
picture time.
We'll have picture.
Ang tahimik daw ni Jiro ngayon. Jiro, sumigaw mo nga.
Ah!
Alright, guys.
Tulog na yung kabila ito.
Wala po. Tao
Sumigaw talaga siya.
Pero at least hindi na tahimik si Jiro.
Nilabasan nyo yung lahat ng galit niya.
Ay, my third wheel. Mine one.
Yeah.
Basta ako, excited na talaga ako sa 18.
Ako din. Kasi gusto ko na din talagang ma-meet kayo sa Watson's concert, di ba?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
Nakikita na tayo
Watson's
ulit,
concert.
guys.
Tsaka alam ko like there are 50 winners for the meet and greet. So congratulations to those.
Wow.
Congratulations. And see you up close sa
Sana
Sunday.
masaya po kayo.
Pag napansin niyo ko, iyak ako mga happy tears. Okay, go
Happy
cry
tears.
now.
Okay.
Cry.
Yes, don't forget to also download the app, Watson's app, and yeah, go to the website. Kasi nandun din lahat ng mga details sa mga social medias nila na kailangan yung malaman. Kasi alam ko you also need to prepare the waiver forms for minors and for PWDs and you know people who need the waivers.
Yeah.
So get those as well para wala kayong complications kasi the last thing you want before a concert is
biglang hindi makapasok.
Yeah, hindi makapasok. It's gonna be stressful. So sana everyone is preparing. Ngayon pa lang kasi 2 days na lang.
Yes, 2 days na lang,
2 days na lang, guys.
Friday na, Saturday, Sunday, you know. Magpaano tayo, magpa-beauty tayo bukas. Kaya mag-prepare na kayo ngayon pa lang. Beauty rest.
Yeah.
Pero guys, na-enjoy nyo na din yung ano namin, yung comeback namin. Sumunod.
Oh, there's 30 winners pala daw sa ano. 30 winners.
30 winners, not 50. Okay.
30.
Yeah, 30.
Sorry dun sa 20.
Yeah. Minus
Plus
10.
10.
Minus
Last 10.
So,
Plus
yeah.
And then let's read the comments and what. Do you have any questions? We'll try to answer them as accurate as possible. But if we can, just refer to Watsons.
Meron pa pala, di ba? For the dress codes.
Oh
yeah.
We saw that Anchors wanted to wear
To do the blue and
Blue
white.
and white.
That's like your color.
Yeah, blue.
Blue and white.
Kaya nga nagsuot ako ng
May socks.
ngayon na white.
Okay, that's
Pero
nice.
blue and white.
Wow.
He got the baddest dad jokes, Winston.
But I'm excited to see the other fandoms' color. Dress
Yeah.
codes.
Ano nga yung sa iba? Alam niyo ba?
Kung alam nyo.
Alam niyo ba ang suot ng mga 18s,
Sa
Magilios,
Anchors pa lang
bullets, sayas?
Press nyo po sa alamat. Mahal po sila lahat. Pero
Yes,
napaka-angas
yes,
po ni Kuya Mo.
So,
Tapos nasabi ko sa kanya,
Sobrang
Kuya
angas
Mo,
yun.
hello po ang angas niyo po. Tapos,
Sabi niya mas maangas pa daw si Marcos.
true. True.
Pero compliment ka diba ng student?
Ang gwapo mo daw.
I
Ang
think
gwapo mo
sige
daw.
na compliment siya. Ang tangkad daw.
Di ba yung sinabi mo kanina nung kumahal?
Ang tangkad niyo.
Hindi, yan.
Kaya na compliment, di ba?
Sige,
Sabi?
kaya. Sabi nila, grabe naman si Kuya Kim.
Pumayat.
Kaya naman.
Pero ang dami nang sabi sa comment do.
Umayad ka nga.
Hindi na
Pero si Winston talaga yung lagi yung tinatanong ano eh.
Oh, everyday.
Everyday lagi tinatanong, di ba?
Kung may sasabihin niya, minsan kung may tao sasabihin ko, hindi. Sige na, pumayat ka na. Sabi,
Maybe I should remove the hoodie. Oh, yeah, why am I wearing a hoodie? Ouch.
Yung event ng Watson sa Mawa Arena.
Get mo talaga, Kim?
Arena.
Mo Arena.
Huwag niyo kalimutan yung location yun. Doon tayo magkikita.
Sa Mawa Arena. Parang, parang apelyedo siya ng no?
Ng Mawa.
Guys, tulog na tayo, guys. Hindi namin ipapatayin yung ulan.
Dito na tayo matutulog.
Mag-sleep call tayo.
Sige.
next.
Sabay-sabay tayo matulog.
Magpapatay yun ng ilaw.
Slumber party.
Ito, why can go and why?
Nandun yung switch oh.
Anyo.
Try nyo nga. Try nyo ba?
You're a good child, kayo.
Hoy, parang cute din pa
Ayan,
party na tayo.
Tara guys!
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Shayaya!
Silent version, silent. 5, wait.
What's my playlist? What's your playlist? Hey, mag-enjoy ka.
What is that?
Naku, may ibon.
Boy.
I think KK.
Hey Google.
KK erased her.
No, that's Razor's phone, bro.
May ibon ka dyan.
Yeah. Jiro, magsample ka daw ng rap mo part mo sa Sumayon.
What kind of,
Okay, ano daw?
Just come and get it, yo, come and get it. Sumayaw, this music is crazy, let you know.
Korean.
Wow!
Korean.
Napakagaling naman talaga ng bata. Sa batang kirumi.
Parang tara, halirang nara, sumayaw yung wani panchagin wana.
Wow!
Basan mo repeat, hindi may sindihan mo. Tulog na po si Marcos.
Ay, may tulog na nga.
May tulog na dito, guys.
Kasi ano na
Ay,
eh.
dandahan, guys.
Late na din eh.
Yeah,
Kaya
probably.
maybe we will sleep in a bit na din. Pero we'll hang out with you guys for now.
Yeah.
What do you guys wanna do?
What if mag-sleep call with the Anchors?
What's a sleep call?
Like, naka-call lang.
Oh.
Yeah, sleep live.
Champion song. Ay!
Is that what you always do? With your mom?
Oh, walang pumansin kay...
Mapansin.
Walang pumansin kay...
Hindi kasi,
Ano po?
Korean kasi yun.
Nagsasalita siya, hindi siya pinapansin eh.
Sorry.
Kaya Wilson, hanggang dito lang.
Hanggang dito lang.
Mali.
Ay, wait lang,
Si Marcus.
mag-post muna tayo with the Watson's tote bags bago tayo magpo-post for pictures. So,
Yes.
para mag ano tayo?
Apron.
Photo time!
Alright.
Okay na ba? Okay lang ba ito live? Or buksan mo lang, kaya kayo, pabukas nga lang guys. Yeah.
Pwedeng
Okay.
dumaan pa gano'n.
Go compress na tayo guys.
Watson's April.
5, 6, 7.
Ito yan, ayan na.
1, 2, 3. Say Watson's.
Yay!
Perfect.
Oh no! Wait lang, paano to?
Anyo.